do a math video.
Why you want to ask Baba some math question? What's that?
Because I love question marks. Is 200 times 200 2,000?
No. Is 2 times 2 2?
No, 4,000.
200 times 200 is not 4,000.
Huh?
How many zeros are in 200 and 200 total? How many zeros?
4.
4. So your answer should have 4 zeros.
4 million.
No. How many zeros are in 4 million? Do you know?
2! No.
6.
Oh.
So, how many zeros are in 4,000?
14,000.
No, wait. How many zeros are in 4,000? 4,000. How do you write 4,000?
I'm not quite sure how you write numbers in the thousands because it keeps confusing me for some reason.
4,000 has 3 zeros. 4000. So you need another zero.
14,000?
No. Is that 1 zero more than 4,000? There's a 1 4. 40,000. 40,000. 40,000.